Guys,
Yes,
how are you?
good.
Good, good. So guys, you're decided to take the core Java classes. So well and good. Java is very powerful nowadays. So enterprise application level Java is very huge demand is there, right? We have the Spring classes and all. See guys, but if we take the core Java, after core Java in front of you, this many number of options are there to choose. So because nowadays like multiple technologies, right? So multiple technologies and multiple frameworks which require the core Java. Guys, please mute everyone. Guys, please mute. Good. See guys, nowadays multiple technologies require the core Java, right? Please tell me guys, what are the technologies which require the core Java? So like if you take the Android application development, Android the coding is done based on the core Java, right? So in Android activity class is there. In activity class, everything we done using core Java, right? Yeah, exactly. Android coding is done based on the core Java. And if you take the Selenium automation testing, right? If we take the Selenium based automation testing, everything, the code, everything, we have to start the class, declare the variables, methods, constructors. Yeah, Java is like base for the all most of the languages, guys. Definitely. Yeah, that's the point we are deciding. That's what I read in the most of the languages here, the well-known languages here. Like this, you have the multiple technologies. They're using Java language, but these are the some of the well-known things which require the core Java. Selenium coding is done based on the core Java, guys. Selenium, everything like testing related information, data-driven framework, key-driven framework. All the code has to written based on the core Java only. Hadoop, guys. Hadoop is MapReduce programming. So MapReduce programming, everything is based on the core Java. Pega, the coding is required the core Java. Salesforce required the core Java. Cloud computing required the core Java. AngularJS. UI technology also, if you know the core Java well and good, guys, because we have to process the variables, methods like constructors and all. Better to know the core Java. And ADF, guys. ADF full form is application development framework. If anyone is Oracle employees, the Oracle employees knows this word ADF. ADF is a basically Oracle framework, guys. The Oracle framework also which require the core Java knowledge. And before ADF, we have the OAF. Guys, please mute, please mute. Guys, please mute. Yeah. And Pega required the core Java, Salesforce, and ADF, guys. ADF, these are Oracle tools basically. ADF, OAF, Oracle Application Framework, OAM also, Oracle Identity Management, Oracle Identity Manager Management. Okay, in SAP modules, guys, one some of the SAP modules, which is like HANA module is there, web app module is there, and Android. So mobile application development, guys. Android completely activity class based on core Java. PLM. If anyone mechanical students, maybe you know like PLM, product lifecycle management tool. The tool requires the core Java. And MDM, master data management. MDM is belongs to IBM company, guys. If anyone is IBM employee, that guys knows MDM tool. And JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular, these are all Angular core like UI technologies. And TIPCO and Pentaho, guys. These are the tools which require like ETL tools, guys. Extract, transmission, load something. ETL tools. These ETL tools are required what core Java, right? Exactly, guys. So once if you done the core Java, in front of you, these many number of options are there. Guys, once if you done the core Java, in front of you, these many number of options are there. We can choose a respective technology, a respective uh, respective things, right? Exactly. Hey, no, sir, I want to become a Java developer. Guys, maybe some guys are thinking like, sir, I want to become a Java developer. Yes, if you want to check, there are any prerequisites. And nothing, guys, Rohit. To learn core Java, prerequisite topics are not required, guys. Yeah, prerequisite is not required. Directly you can start the Java language, guys. See, guys, all about the programming. If you do the practicals on the day basis, every language is easy, guys. If you're ignoring the practicals, every language is difficult. This all about you, how we are doing the practicals basically. So definitely most of the students they don't have the time to do the practicals, right? I'm not saying you guys, generally the students don't have the time to do the practicals. If you are not doing the practicals about the programming languages, definitely the languages are difficult, guys. Guys, even if I'm not teaching the language some days, if I'm not teaching the languages these some days, definitely I'll forget the method some cases. I'm in class 10th, any concept should I know? Nothing, Rohit. Whatever you are the class 10th. Very good, Rohit. The morning class, 6 o'clock batch, core Java, only 6th class students are taking core Java classes nowadays. Guys, nowadays the students are very dangerous. See, 7th class, 8th class kids, they are taking core Java classes. To understand the core Java is nothing is required, guys. The you are from any background, no problem. Any class is no problem. But whatever the practicals we are doing, okay, you try to do the practicals on the day basis, then you will get the clarity. Guys, all about the practical, all about your behavior. If you are not doing practicals, technology is difficult. If you are doing the practicals regular base, technology is easy. Yes or no? That is up to you guys. Yeah, see guys, these are the technologies in the market, Rohit, basically. So these are all the technologies required the core Java, basically. Okay. No, sir, I want to become a Java developer. Guys, if you want to become a Java developer, I'm working as a manual tester. Yeah, Vishal. To work as a manual tester, we have to go for the Selenium, right? Yeah, that's what we required the core Java. Selenium required the core Java, right? That's what definitely you have to take the core Java. Then we have to start the Selenium classes, right? Then we have to start the Selenium class. Hmm? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? That's what I'm showing this all the prerequisite knowledge. So like, I'm showing this all the technologies, right? So respect to technology, we can choose. Okay, respect to technology, you can choose, Vishal. Good. Guys, if you want to become a Java developer means you forgot about right hand side this category. You forgot about this because Vishal, he want to become Selenium automation, test automation. Then he require the Selenium. After core Java, directly can take the Selenium classes, Vishal, not a problem. But guys, you want to become a Java developer means you have to think of right hand side, guys. After core Java, we have to take advanced Java, core Java, advanced Java required, and Spring and web services required, guys. Core Java, advanced Java, Spring and web services. That I will tell you. So as a Java developer, yeah, as a Java developer, what are the things we have to learn? That I will tell you. But as of now, you understood that. Okay, these are all the technologies required to core Java, right? Guys, do you agree this word or not? These are all the technologies which requires what? Core Java, guys. That is a point we have to check first of all. Guys, tell me that time why these all guys are depends on core Java only. Why they are choosing the core Java? Guys, what the reason might be? Guys, these all are technologies of Android using the core
It is a
Java.
base language.
Guys, please mute. Okay. It has a good framework. Definitely, Rohit, market you have multiple good frameworks. Why these all the guys are required? They depends on core Java. The Selenium guy they're writing the code in the core Java. Hadoop guy they're writing the code in the core Java. Is a base language exactly. Good guys. But the technical word is like Rohit. The technical word we have to focus. Why this all the technology depends on Java means because Java is open source technology, man. Because Java is open source, guys. So definitely we have to know this kind of technical words. Guys, please mute, man. Disha, Gautam. Yeah. So why these all the languages are required the core Java means yeah, we shall second point is the platform independent. The first point is we have to see open source. This is the main important word, right? Open source guys. Open source technology. Because Java is open source, guys. That's what these guys are using okay, Java. Yeah. Everything is using the Java one, right? Exactly. Guys, take in the market in the real time, we have the two words frequently we can see these type of words, guys. One is a open source, one is a license version. Okay, one is open source, second one is what? A license version, right? Exactly. Guys, what do you mean open source and what do you mean license version? Okay, we are that you have to focus faster. See, guys, my manager said, okay, this product we are using license for open source technologies. For this product development, we are using for licensed technologies. So my manager decided for this project we are going for the open source technologies. For another project we are going for the licensed technologies, right? Exactly. In that case, at least you have to know what is open source, what is the licensed version and all, right? Exactly, guys. I'll tell you that point. Why these all the technology required the core Java means because Java is which language, guys? Open source language. Okay. Yes, Java is what type of language? Open source, right? Exactly. Yes, what do you mean open source? Tell me. What do you mean open source means? It's a free of cost, guys, definitely. So we no need to pay money to the company to use the software, right? Free of cost, guys. Anyone, no need to get the license, right? Exactly. So no need to get the license. So freely we can use that software, right? Yes, no need to get the license. Freely we can use the software, free of cost. Free of cost is one point,
And
guys.
for everyone.
And another point is the main point like open source. It's saying like open source. It means open source means the source code is open, guys, basically. It means Java is open source means who is the author of Java? Basically, the author of Java is a James Gosling. So whatever the code written by James Gosling, yeah, whatever the code written by James Gosling, then that code we can see basically. That's whatever the code written by James Gosling. We can see that code. Open source product means we can use that product free of cost, and even we can see the source code also, right? And even we can see what the code they written, what the logics they are implemented internally, what is the code they written, what type of techniques they are using. So we can see all the things, guys. That is main intention of the open source, right? Exactly, guys. Open source means it's a free of cost. That's one point. The second point is what? The source code is open. The source code is open, guys. It means anyone can download the source code, and if you have the capability, we can do the modifications also, right? Yeah, source code is open, guys. Open, so anyone can download. Anyone can source code in the sense whatever the code they written for that project, right? That is called source code. Anyone can download. Tell me, guys, anyone can download the source code, can do the modification, right? Anyone can download source code and can modify. Guys, are you clear? This is the main point regarding the open source, guys. Open source product means it's a free of cost. Open source means what? Is a free of cost. One thing. Another thing is what? Even source code is open. Even if you want, you can download the source code from internet and we can do the modification, right? Exactly, guys. But the best example of open source, guys, Java is open source. Guys, which company given the Java? Java is open source product. Which company given the Java? Yes, initially the Java is
Sun
given by Sun
Microsystems.
Microsystems. Yeah, initially it is given by Sun Microsystem, guys. But now, unfortunately, there is no Sun Microsystem. Now Oracle is purchased Sun Microsystem. Now the Java product from which company, guys? Oracle Corporation, right? Yes, now the Java product from which company means Oracle Corporation, basically. Yes, very clear. So best example is Java, guys, and even Android is also open source. Guys, which company given the Android? Java is open source, guys, given by Sun Microsystem initially. Now it is acquired by Oracle. Acquired by Oracle. Next one is the Android is open source, guys. Which company given the Android? Yeah, we shall definitely Google, right? Guys, you guys are using Android mobiles. You're using Android mobiles, but you don't know vendor of the Android. Hmm? You try to check these net terms are important, guys. Who is the Android of the Google means what? Google, right? Exactly, guys. If you take a testing tools wise, Selenium is open source, guys. The Selenium is given by group of people, so it's not a particular company, guys. The Selenium is given by group of people, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, are you clear? These are the called basically open source technologies. Guys, I decided like these are all the technologies that require the core Java, Selenium, Hadoop, Pega, Salesforce, cloud computing. These all are the different products, different vendors, different companies. These all guys in their technologies, they're using the core Java coding, right? Why these all the technology depends on core Java means? Yeah, why all the technology depends on core Java means? Because the Java is open source product. Yes, Java is what type of language? Open source. That's what do you mean open source? Open source means what? It's like free of cost. You no need to get the license. Freely we can use. And even source code is open. Source code in the sense, whatever the code they written, that source code we can download, we can do modifications. The best examples are what?
I
Java
have a
given by
doubt.
Sun Microsystem, Android given by Google, Selenium is given by group of people, right? It's a community, guys, basically. Guys, open source is clear. Hmm? Good. Next one is a license one. Yeah, the second one is a license version, guys. License version means what the opposite, right? Guys, what do you license version? It's a free of cost or we have to pay money? Guys, definitely we have to pay money to get the license. To get the license. So guys, definitely we have to pay money to get the license, guys. And one point, they are charging some amount. Even once if you pay the money to get the license, just they'll give the license to run that software, guys. Either source code is open or not open. Even you cannot see the source code, guys. Can we make the programming language using Java? Definitely, right, because most of the products which is developed based on Java only, right? Even Android product is developed based on Java only. Most of the products, guys, all the products which is developed based on Java only. Good. So license first means we have to pay money, guys, to get the license. And once if you pay the money also, source code, guys. So source code sense whatever the code they written for the development, that source code is open or not open here, not open, right? So we cannot download the source code, we cannot modify, right? Guys, source code is not open. It means not available, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, what the best example of license version? HTML type language can be made using Java. Yeah, HTML is also product, right? Yeah, those kind of products definitely they're going for the Java only, man. The product development they're going for the Java only. Hmm? Not only Java, guys. Don't think like the product can be done by only one language. In real time, the product can be done by with multiple languages basically. Adobe is license version, man, Rohit. Adobe CQ, the SAP modules, all are the license versions. Okay. No, as your point of view, ask me that is a language, but the company point of view, that is a product. It's not language. HTML is a language, then we have to develop that HTML, right? Yeah, that depends on the aspect. Okay, good guys. Guys, license version best example. Tell me, license version. What is the best example? For your point of view, Java is a language, guys. But James Gosling point of view, Java is a product given by that company, right? Yeah, the meaning is changed. Yeah. For license version, guys, Sublime. Okay, fine. Sublime is fine. Language, I'm asking. License versions. .NET, guys. .NET is a license version. .NET framework is there, right? .NET is a license version. .NET is a license version which is given by which company, guys? Basically, Microsoft, right? Yeah, at least you have to know these all the points, guys. Python is open source. Guys, Python is open source. Python is given by Python org, Python company itself. Python org, Python organization, right? Python is given by Python company, guys. Python.org company. The company itself, they're given the Python. Python is not a problem. Guys, .NET is what? Microsoft given by .NET. And .NET is a completely commercial, guys. We have to use a .NET application means definitely we have to pay some money to the Microsoft. Then only they'll give the license to run their software, right? .NET product. So, and if you go for the Apple, guys, iOS operating system, iPhone operating system, guys, given by Apple company, right? Guys, iOS. Android opposite is what? Android opposite is like iOS, right? Android opposite is what? The iOS, right? Given by Apple company, guys. Definitely, Apple company means what? License versions, right? Exactly. See, guys, before Selenium, Vishal, what is before Selenium? What the tool we are using for the automation testing? Guys, even if you don't know this all, you try to understand the points. But as a developer, as a software developer, as a software engineer, you require these all the points, right? Yeah. Java given by Sun Microsystem, Android is given by Google, Selenium is given by community people, Python is given by Python org, and .NET is given by Microsoft. iOS is a operating system, iPhone operating system, guys, which is given by Apple. And in place of Selenium, guys, you're using QTP tools, QTP, UFT, QTP. So who given the QTP tools? Which are who given the QTP means what? HP, right? HP company given the HP company given the QTP tools, guys. Guys, are you clear? So finally, in the real time, we have the two fancy words, guys. One is the I don't know. We shall find QTP is given by HP company. HP. Guys, in the real time, we have the two fancy words: open source products and license versions. If manager said open source, we are using open source technologies, we are using license version technology means okay. This is the clarity we have to get. Open source means free of cost, guys. You don't need to get the license, and the source code is open here. And license means we have to pay money to get the license. And even source code is open or not open, guys. Source code is not available, right? Okay, source code is what not available. So finally, today we decided the first point. Python is what? Java is what type of language, guys? Java is a Java is which language, guys? Open source, right? Java is open source. Guys, yes or no? Java is what type of language means? Java is a open source language, right? Open source product, guys. That is why these all the technologies are required. The Java means that depends on the Java means because Java is what type of language means? Java is a open source technology, guys. Has any questions, please? Yeah, this is the one reason why the multiple technologies are using Java. And the second reason mostly, what is the second reason, guys? Here, I don't say object oriented, guys, because .NET is object oriented, Python is object oriented, Ruby is object oriented, Kotlin is object oriented, Golang is object oriented. We have the multiple object oriented technologies. Okay. Yeah, and second reason is like why this all the technology depends on Java means second is a platform independent, guys. Maybe some guys knows this point, some guys don't know, but for my satisfaction, I'll give some points here. Platform dependent versus what? Yeah, platform language are two types, guys. Again, some of the languages are platform dependent languages. Platform dependent versus the second one is what? Platform in the sense operating system basically. Platform in the sense operating system, guys. Some of the languages are operating system dependent. Some of the languages are platform independent, right? Independent, guys. Good. I'll give one best example for the platform dependent versus independent, guys. Just listen the point. When you go for the platform dependent, guys, once we develop the application, I design one application. Assume like I design one shopping cart application. Once we develop the application, using any one operating system. Once if we develop application using any one operating system, guys, that application runs on same operating systems. Guys, I design one product using Windows operating system. Guys, I design one application, shopping cart application using C language based on the Windows operating system. Then that application, that C language application, what type of application, guys? Like shopping application. That application can run only on Windows operating system, guys. It means in which environment I design my application, that application runs on same environment. That nature is called which nature, guys? Platform. That language that we are using to design, that language is called platform dependent language, guys. Guys, in that case, tell me the platform dependent language, is it targeting one type of audience? Is it targeting all audience? Like definitely it is targeting only Windows users, right? If you develop the application using Windows operating system, it is developing like it is targeting only Windows users, right? If you have developed the application using Mac operating system, it is targeting only Mac users, right? It means platform dependent language application, guys. Platform dependent languages application, the application supporting only one operating system, right? Just like Windows drivers, guys. The Windows drivers will run for only Windows operating system, right? Why? Means the Windows drivers are developed based on C language, guys. C is the platform dependent language. Guys, C is what type of language? C is a platform dependent language, right? Exactly, guys. So platform dependent means what? In which environment we design application. Which environment means which operating system. In which operating system we design application, it supports the same operating system. That nature is called platform dependent. So Windows driver supports only Windows operating system. Linux driver supports only Linux operating system. This type of products are called what? Like platform dependent language applications, right? Exactly, guys. And this guy is targeting only one type of users, right? Exactly. Guys, but tell me, if I design application, IRCTC application, I design IRCTC application, but IRCTC application running on only, the IRCTC application running only on Windows users. Is it good or not good, guys? Definitely that is not, that not sounds good, right? Not good, right? That's the sound is not good, right? Exactly. In that case, we are going for the platform independent languages. Just like Java is the platform independent. It means using Java, if you design the IRCTC application, now Java is a platform independent language. It means that application runs across all operating systems. Guys, that application runs across all operating systems, right? Guys, yes or no? That application runs across all operating systems, right? Exactly. Now you tell me, guys, you tell me, to design the IRCTC application, banking application, platform dependent languages are suitable or platform independent languages are good? Which one is good? Tell me, guys. To design the banking
Independent.
applications, IRCTC applications, these all applications, which languages are good? Platform dependent languages are good or platform independent languages are good? Definitely platform. Platform independent language, right? Yeah. Which language are good? Platform independent languages. That is called which language here? Java. Java is a platform independent, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear? These are theory points, guys. Today we'll go for some theory points, and tomorrow onwards we'll start the practicals. Definitely. Tomorrow onwards we'll go with the both theory and practical both parallelly, guys. Always discussing theory is not recommended. Tomorrow onwards we'll go with both theory and practical parallelly. Guys, platform dependent means what? Tell me. In which operating system? In which environment? Yeah. In which environment we design the application? We design the application. Like we develop the application. We design application. That application runs. That application runs on what? Same operating system, right? That application runs on same operating system, guys. Which code editor? Huh? Sir, which code editor we'll use for using? Asmit, I will tell you. Give me a second. Yes, in which environment to design the application, it supports the same it run the application. In which environment to design the application, guys, the application runs on same operating system, same environment, like same operating system is called. Tell me, guys, is called what? Platform dependent, right? It's called platform dependent, guys. Guys, which one is the platform dependent language? Tell me best examples. Examples are what? C, C is a platform dependent language, right? Exactly, guys. If I done the application using Windows operating system, means that application runs. That application runs on what? Only Windows. So if I done the application using Linux, means that application runs Yeah, that application runs only on what? That application runs only on Linux, right? Exactly. If we done the application using Mac, that application runs only on what? Mac, right? Runs on Mac, guys. That nature is called platform dependent nature, guys. So CCP is the best example of platform dependent language, right? Exactly, guys. CCP is the best example of platform dependent languages. Good. Guys, tell me what the platform independent? Platform independent means what? Once we design application, mm, platform independent, guys. Once we design application using any one operating system, it can run in, yeah, simple word, Amit, it can run in all operating system, but let me write one sentence form. That will be good, right? Otherwise we'll understand clearly. So yeah, once we develop the application, yeah, develop the application using any one operating system. Once we develop application using any one operating system, that application runs on that application that application runs on all operating systems, right? All operating systems. Some guys are using environment, some guys are using like platforms, some guys using like operating systems. All are same meaning, guys. Once we develop the application using any one operating system, that application runs on all operating systems. Hmm. That application runs on all operating systems. So it's called what? Platform. Guys, it's called what? Platform independent, right? Exactly. It's called platform independent, guys. So once we design application using Windows operating system, that application runs on Windows, that application runs on Mac, that application runs on, yeah, Linux, that application runs on Solaris, that application runs on what? All operating systems, right? That nature is called platform independent, guys. So we decided Java. So Java is a platform independent language, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, I hope you got the clarity why this all the technology in the real time depends on core Java means, yeah, Python is also platform independent. Why this all the technology depends on core Java means, the reason is what? Two reasons, guys. Mainly two reasons. One is the open source product. Java is open source. Anyone can use freely. Anyone anyone use anyone can use freely. And second one is what? Platform independent. It means it supports one operating system. It supports all operating systems, guys. Definitely it supports what? All operating systems, right? Yeah, definitely. I'll share these notes, Smith. See, guys, these are the two reasons mainly. So the second point, we decided Java is a what type of language. Guys, you have to get the clarity about each and every point. Slowly, we'll discuss point by point. Try to get the clarity about these all the points. The first point clearly, I'm saying like Java is open source. Java is open source. The second point clearly, I'm saying Java is a most of the guys knows this point, but you try to understand because everyone has to understand the points, right? That's what I'm repeating the points. Okay, Java is a platform. Hmm. Java is a platform independent language, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, 2 points are clear. So I'm Smith asking the class notes, guys. Guys, some points I'll tell you. Okay, the class timing. Yeah, yeah, I will share you 1 second. The class time for this batch, guys, so it will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Your class is always will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. guys. There is no change in schedule. But up to formalities are completed, I start the class by 8:05 or 8:10. Up to 9:45 something, 8:45 I'll take the class. Once the formalities are complete, like fee payments and everything is completed, I will share the PDF documents with you. Once the formalities are completed, I will take the class by sharp 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. guys. Is the point is clear? The class timing, guys. And duration of this course, guys. The duration of this course is exactly 2 months. Yeah, exactly 2 months it will take, guys. The duration of this course is exactly 2 months. And if you see this, my materials, I have some PPT documents. I have the assignments. These are assignments tab, guys. Assignments and the class notes and collections, PPTs. These are the materials, guys. Definitely, once the formalities are completed, I will share the material with you. Okay. I will share the complete. I will share the complete PDF docs, guys. I will share the complete PDF docs with mail ID. Number one, and number two is like every 3-4 topics, guys. I will take one test basically. See, guys, you completed 3 topics means definitely we have to know. You have to know like once if you done the topics means at least we have to know what I learned in these 3 topics. You have to check your knowledge or not. Self analysis is very important, guys. Every 3-4 topics you try to analyze. Okay, these topics what I learned. Then how will check that how will check that points? I will give the 20 questions about the every 3 topics, guys. Every 3 topics I'll give the 20 questions like this. As you can see these questions here. So this is the question, what is the output of this expression? Choose the valid statements, write the output of this example. What is the default value for the string? Write the output of the below code. These are the 20 questions, guys. These are the 20 questions for the first three topics. Like that, every three topics, I'll share the 20 questions. You try to prepare the three topics and try to attempt the test. At least you have to know what you learn, right? Yes, sir. No, it's very very important, guys. I will share the I will share the test with you, test papers, guys. I will share the test papers for every three topics. Yes, I'll share the test papers for mm, every three topics. Remember this all the points, guys. What are the things I promised? I will give everything. Okay. I will share the test papers every three topics, guys. Exactly. And definitely I'll share the assignments, guys. If you open every class notes, in the class notes, definitely we have the assignments basically. If you open the flow control statements, one of the topic. Just I'm sure these are the assignment answers basically. And what are the assignments, sir? Once the topic is completed, guys, definitely I have this assignment here. You can see whether it is a small assignment or big assignment, guys, you have to complete the assignment so that you get the clarity about the coding, right? You get the clarity about the coding, guys. Maybe assignments. Yeah, these are the assignments. You check this code, guys, once. So write a program to print the sum of 1 to 10 numbers, sum of 1 to 10 numbers, sum of 1 to 10 even numbers, sum of 1 to 10 odd numbers, right? Exactly. So next one, you can say check the assignment 4 once. So if the in application, take the pin number 1 2 3 4, guys. In application, take the pin number 1 2 3 4. Take the pin from end user. Check the pin validation, right? If the pin is attempted 4 times, after 4 times also, if you enter the wrong pin, so your account is blocked for 24 hours, right? So like that, you'll get some messages or not. Like that, you'll get some messages, right? Exactly, guys. So like that, these are the assignments, guys. Like every topic, we have the assignments, guys. So what the conclusion point here? Definitely, I will share the assignments topic wise. I will share the assignments topic wise, guys. I'll share the complete PDF docs with you. I'll share the test papers for every three topics. I'll share the assignments for every topic. Every topic, I'll share the assignments, guys. And when coming to the class notes, guys, today what are the points I written? This is the class notes, right? Whatever the class I done the today, I will share these class notes with you. To share these class notes, guys, I'm using one website. Okay, guys, this is like one website like protectedtest.com. In the protectedtest.com here, yeah, protectedtest.com. So let me create one website for this one, Java 8 p.m. class, Java 8 p.m. So let me create the, no. So can I give like core Java 8 p.m.? This is like core Java 8 p.m., right? Okay, core Java. CJ, something like CJ I can give, guys. I think the names are already used for the previous batches that names. I can give like CJ 8 p.m. core Java 8 p.m. sharp name. Yeah, CJ 8 p.m. guys. So let me create one site for that. This is the day one notes, guys. Every day, whatever the class notes I written in the class, I will copy these notes. I'll place here. You try to check the class notes from here. You can copy these class notes. You can place in your Word document, some your Notepad plus wherever you want. You can place it and place it, and you can maintain the document, right? Exactly, guys. And you can save it here. So Java. For everyone, I will share this link, guys. Everyone, can you please copy this link? And every day we will share the link class notes using this link. Okay, every day we'll share the class notes using this link, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, if you try to open this link here, when you're trying to open this link, it is asking password, right? The password for this link is Java. Everyone the same password, guys. Please don't change the password. If one guy change the password, everyone will affected. Please don't do that kind of activities, okay? Don't do that kind of activities. Already the world is suffering from corona, so you guys don't do that kind of activities. Don't change the passwords. Hmm? Please don't change the password, guys. Guys, anyone is open these notes? Anyone is open? Every day the same link, guys. So tomorrow means what? I open the day to here, one tab. I'll place the class notes here. Yeah, guys, are it clear now? This is the class notes, guys. Yeah, so nice idea, Rohit. Yeah, thank you, Rohit. Class notes, guys. Everyday class note. This is anyhow. I will share the PDF document, guys. That is fine. Along with the PDF document, class notes I'll open using password like password. Password is what Java, right? Exactly, guys. Good. And moreover, next point is like recorded session, guys. Definitely, some guys will miss the classes some days. If you miss the class, even no problem, guys. You will get the recorded session. You try to check the recorded session. Be ready for the next class. Okay, ready for the next class, right? Exactly, guys. Every day we will share the recorded session to your mail ID. And first to 5 classes, guys. First to 5 days classes, we will upload this class directly in YouTube. After 1 hour, go to the YouTube. Just type the core job by Mr. Ram. 8 p.m. class, Java 8 p.m. class. You will get the that video. Tomorrow I'll show you that video link also if you want. Okay, good. So first 5 videos they are uploaded in the YouTube, guys, and after that they will take you, once if your formalities are completed, you've done the fee payments and everything, they will take your mail IDs, they'll send the materials, and they'll take your mail IDs every day. They'll send the recorded session to your mail ID. Okay, so every day we will share. Okay, we will share the recorded session to your email, guys. Is that clear now? Yeah, even if you miss the 1 or 2 classes, no worries. You try to check the recorded session and you try to come for the next classes. It's very good to learn pre-recorded videos and are able to connect. It's fine. Okay, but we will share the everything, guys. You try to check once. Okay, good. Guys, any questions? This is the data from my side. Today, the very, very important points, we decided 2 points. Java is open source product. Java is a platform, independent product. Open source means anyone can use freely, and even source code is open. Platform independent means once if we develop application using any one operating system, it supports like all operating systems, right? It supports like all operating systems, guys. The syllabus I will show you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will show you the syllabus, what are the topics we are going to discuss, and I will show you the website, Java website, and I will show you the how to download the Java and all. Tomorrow I will show you the syllabus copy. But today I hope you got the clarity, right? Sunday is holiday, Vishal. So Monday to Saturday we have the class. No problem. Monday to Saturday we have the class. Guys, any questions? Yeah, that's all for the today class, guys. Some guys are checking for the demo classes, how Ramsar is teaching and all. Those guys, well and good. The guys who want to continue my class, please complete the formalities. Today after the class, you'll get the payment details, guys. The guys who want to continue the classes, just you can do the formalities. The guys who are coming for just seeing the demo classes and all, just no problem. Just you can attend the demo classes, after that you can leave, not a problem. Formalities, so you will get the mail. Today after the class, you'll get the mail, guys. In that mail, we have the payment details and all. And we have the account details, the payment details, you will get the things. Full stack developer, huh? No, you guys, first you have to complete the core Java, advanced Java, Java development level, then think of the full stack developer, Mohanat. No, 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 no. See, if anyone is promised they'll teach the full stack, no one will teach you guys, first of all. Because full stack is a completely the different process. Because full stack, if you want to do the full stack in Java development, what you have to do, no, you have to learn the core Java, advanced Java, Spring, web services, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular JS, TypeScript. These all requirements. Who will teach these all for you generally as one faculty? Because one faculty is never expertise in all areas, right? That's what. If you want to become a full stack developer, UI technology separator, development wise separator. You take the development course, then take the UI technologies course, then you will become a full stack developer. That will be good option. But if anyone is promised I will teach the full stack development means that you decided. After the class, you will decide. Yeah. Yes, any questions? Any other questions, please? Yeah, if there is no questions, you can left. Tomorrow you can join by the same link and tomorrow by 8 p.m. the same time. Tomorrow we'll discuss some more points. Very beautiful points. Beautiful points. Yeah, these points are definitely good, right? Good. Yeah, tomorrow we'll meet, guys. Huh? Bye. Bye, guys. Good night. Yeah, informative. Definitely informative, right?